So the first question is asking, what is the measure of arc BAD? Well, BAD goes like this. And BAD, if you look at the inscribed angle for it, angle C is 93 degrees. So this arc would have to be twice that. So this arc would have to be 186 degrees. Now, arc BCD is right here, and these two make 360. So we would subtract 360 minus 186. We would get that arc BCD is 174 degrees. Now, related to that, looks for our angle A. Well, angle A intercepts arc BCD as an inscribed angle. So it would have to be half of this angle right here, meaning that angle A is 87 degrees. Now that'll become helpful later. This question's asking for our arc ADC. Well, arc ADC has the inscribed angle of 57. So 57 times 2 is 114 degrees. Now, similarly to the last one, it's asking for arc ABC. Well, these two make 360, so we subtract 360 minus 114 again, and we get 246 degrees. And then likewise, since arc ABC has an inscribed angle, angle D, we can cut that in half. And when we divide that in 2, we get 123 degrees. Now, it seems like we were just finding angles for the purpose of finding angles, but actually what we're doing is showing one example of a thing that's true in all cyclic quadrilaterals. So a cyclic quadrilateral, as you'll see on the next slide, is quadrilateral where all 4 points are on the edge of a circle. And the special relationship here is that the opposite angles, like angle A and angle C, are supplementary. They add up to 180. So like 87 plus 93 is 180. Likewise, 57 plus 123 is also 180. So as mentioned before, cyclic quadrilateral, 4-sided polygon, that's the quadrilateral part, with all the vertices, all the corners on the circumference of the circle, so on the edge of it. And then the opposite angles are always supplementary. And the reason for that, like we can look at angle A and angle C here. For angle A, that intercepts arc BCD right here. Angle C intercepts the other arc on the circle, BAD. In combination, these two arcs make up the entire circle. And the entire circle, obviously, the measure of that big arc is 360 degrees. Since these are inscribed angles, then we take that 360 in total and we divide it by 2 because angle A is half of this arc and angle C is half of this arc. So angle A plus angle C would then have to equal 180, or half of 360.